Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm unboxing my Zodiac IN2IT Oracle 108. I got this from a Kickstarter. This is my first time looking at it with you guys. It just came very recently. This is the box. The box inside. Let's get this box out. Oy. And then here's the box. It's kind of matte. It's got all the information here. It's a lot of cards. I got the extra cards because of the Kickstarter. Let's see what. Oh, it's a huge deck. Reminds me of an UNO deck. Connect with your cards. It's got the connect with your deck. It's got the Zodiac signs. It's got like, oh, what is this? A little pouch. Did I get extra Kickstarter stuff? With crystals. So cool. Nice. Very nice. We just like, oh, and then it says, that's what this is. Aries was aquamarine. Taurus is rose quartz, and so on and so forth. What the little, so it helps you harmonize your deck to the thing, to the energies of the astrological signs with the crystals. So here's a small little how to use it. You don't really need a guidebook with this because, to my understanding, the words are all over the box. All over the cards, I'm sorry. So let's get started. This is the outside. This is the size of like an UNO deck, literally, in almost every way. And then let's get started. Can you guys see? There we go. Diamond, eclipse, map, and these are all Aries. See how they have Aries? Cake, slingshot, flag, kerosene, shooting star, shield, and then we're into, oh, interesting, shield, and now we're into Taurus, emerald, tandem bike, symphony, bird cage, broken vase, Anamkara, eyeglasses, beehive, still. Very interesting. I'm really like, I've got to kind of think about how these all go together. Gemini, or I'm sorry, Sapphire. We're in Gemini and this is Sapphire. Rings, broken heart, hammock, yacht, train, convertible, wheel of karma, worry beads, and now we're into Cancer, which is pearl, telephone, constellation, mirror, urn, hearts and home, fairy tale, well, rainbow. Now we're into Leo. I'm a Leo. Knight, pioneer, inventor, I'm sorry, not investor, inventor, family, dynamite, curtain call, declaration, hot air balloon, checkered flag. Then we got Virgo, mother lode, coin toss, chess, handcuffs, headache, sap, fine print, grapes, fishing pole. And they're all giving me, like, I'm really digging this deck. This is Libra, sword and scales, ostrich trap, cabin, yoga, book burning, repairman, biker, finders, chocolate, Scorpio, crystal ball, olive branch, friends, cat, thunderstorm, bedroom, universe, empty nest, phoenix. Yeah. Sagittarius is a bonfire, dice, crew, gavel, yarn, castle, white rabbit, microphone, and ballet shoes. Capricorn, tools, balloons, crack shot, Roadblock, Dear John, Bodybuilder, Forked Road, Library, just got the light, it's the weird, Master, Aquarius's Fortress, Labyrinth, Black Widow, Corset, Pillory, Airplane, Optical Illusion, Fishhook, and Water Carrier. And we got Pisces is Roses, Flamingos, Roundabout, Scuba Diver, Spilled Milk, Childhood, Baggage, An Old Car, Cross. And then we have, these are cardinal signs: Baby, fixed signs: Child, mutable signs: Youth, air signs: Earth signs, fire signs, person of water, which is water signs, spring, summer, autumn, winter. Oh, I'm loving this. Happening now, happening soon, within a few days. Ooh, I love this. Within a few weeks. Yes. 50-50. Very likely. No. Changing. Unchanged. Uncertain. It's time. Unlikely. Wow. What a deck. Very, very cool. I'm super pleased with it. I can't wait to flesh out how I'm going to utilize this, because there is like a ton of potential here. I'm starting to do some readings for other people, which I've never done before. And so I see this as being like instrumental to that. Very cool deck. You know, what do you think of it? Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.